So I have these three files here. I have my index.html, that is my HTML file, my JavaScript file, and my CSS file. This is how my HTML file looks, my CSS file, and my JavaScript file. So I'm going on to linking these three files together to build now the web page. So I'll locate my head here, and inside my head, just below the title, I'll have my my style sheet. So I just click on link, and then I'll select this link.css. Then I ensure now here I have my file name, so it is styles.css. Then in my body tag, before the HTML closing tag, I'll have my script. So I can just come in here and click script, SLC, and then I'll go ahead and link my script tag, my script.js. And with that, I'm done linking my HTML, my CSS, and my JavaScript files. So let's view the final product. So you can see here, this is now my website. Now this is my web page. So welcome to the Wish website, where you can make your wishes come true. Learn more web development with Ephraim. So click below to learn more. So after clicking this below, it will open now my about page, where you can learn more about me. So if you want to learn how you can go ahead to creating websites like this using coding, follow me on my journey. I share content for the guys who aspire to build websites, so follow for more content.